Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just wanted to show you something I found at the thrift store about a week ago. It's really cool. I don't know if you guys can guess what this is, but this is it's an old car horn. And this one, I don't know if you can read that, but it's a Handphone from the Automobile Supply Manufacturing Company out of Brooklyn, New York. Patent pending 125,633. So it's got this plunger right here that you would press down to make a noise. And it has like a little adjustment knob in here where you can, there's like a little plate, and when you push this down, let me loosen it up, it'll make a noise. That little plate will vibrate, hopefully. Hang on, this one's not working very well. Oh man, I had it going. There it goes. So I'm pulling this. It's not in very good working condition, but it was probably really loud when it worked correctly. You press this down. You get the idea. Alright. Anyway, this was my thrift find. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you what I got. This was, I think this is from around 1920s era. We've come a long way. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.